Blessings, my viewers and subscribers. Much love and respect. You know a new link production is here. So me I say big up to the whole people, them, the whole subscribers, the whole viewers, them. Big up. Well, people, right now, people, you get me? Right, you know, 2 gunmen was shot and killed in Montego Bay in the community called Irwin in St. James. Well, people, get me? You know what the song will say? Bad boys, what you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys. Well, people, cause what the news allegedly said and stated is that the police was conducting an operation in Irwin in St. James. You understand, people? And Irwin is a community a little out of Montego Bay because the state of emergency is still in that area. Well, people, while they was conducting that operation, you understand, them said 2 man. While them said the 2 man, they did not fire at the 2 man, but the 2 man, them bust shot and run. Well, people, the police gave a chase. As the news stated, the police gave a chase. And while them, Jano people, yeah, I decided the police them returned fire upon them, and the 2 of them was shot. They was taken to the Cornwall Regional Hospital in Montego Bay, where they was pronounced dead. Because if you never know, you know, remember as we telling you before and over in a video, when they do shot these men, they have to take them to the hospital, and from there them pronounce them dead. Well, people at this side there, and them recover 1 pistol. So right now, in the come as usual, I do them investigation and everything. But people, honestly, I don't know. You remember from the other day, we not hear no killing in Montego Bay. It is so quiet. But see, who break the scene? 2 gunmen, as the police stated. So just imagine if it's, you know what I mean? It's a good thing for know that way, because the gunmen them now, they are really the problem that need to be resolved. Badness and everything we are going now on, and the corruption and the disruption and everything, that's how the thing can fix. But as what the police them say, one of the man them name is Shenado Malcolm. The other one is still unidentified. You get my people? And it is just a, I don't know, you know, it's a state of emergency from the other day to the whole place and everything. You get me? State of emergency lockdown. You ever say at the entire St. James? It's all over, people, all over. Even some community up in the hills, they still say soldier go through them on a patrol. Well, imagine you see these police officers coming, right? Because you don't know, so they might expect anything in the police. They might expect anything and them not take no threat. And while you see them come, you are going to fire shot. It's going to be a heavy shootout because the police now go run. You get me? The police, them now go run. Them are go and see there, 200 but you know gone. You get me? I say, bad man, badness not pay. We tell them all the while, why we are waste life like that? Why the man them are waste them life like that? Eh? When you have the gun them, man, carry the gun them, go dash out in the sea water, we just find something cool, go throw them in a, go repent, clean up on yourself, clean up on your soul. Because any idea, life just a waste. You get me? I say, life just a waste. Man, them a take life like so life is nothing nowadays, which life have way more to value. You get me? I say, it come like the man them underestimate them life and them do some things where them not think. You get me? Because people, them now find the good source of people with minds that can knock sense in them. Them a mix themselves with some people who can't tell them nothing and teach them the right. Them teach them be wrong and be a corruption. That's why enough of these little youths nowadays to people. That's why them so involved with this badness and this gun thing. Like just the other day, me see a local video with a local boy. I mean, know say him not reach 13. Local boy. And the man them a video man them a talk about me a bad man and me a scammer. I'm a first money buy me gun a scamming money buy it. And me said that local boy they should have taken care away. But pretty me now myself you have 20 years. You get me? With them the talk there. Even if me a scammer, local boy people, you get me? And me a bad man. The first money me take buy me gun a scamming money. Look on them, there's something there. Then after me see them showcase a video with a big woman now, and the same little boy in a dance, street dance that Jamaica, I say my dagger woman, what kind of privilege uno give him, what kind of ratings uno give him, and people up and make him feel like him big or him tough, even if you never mean, even if you no go so what you say, but them are where you think. You get me? You're in the source, man. You're in the league. Come on, people, do better. You see me? Knock sense in the look of you, them and stop knock foolishness in them, man. Don't laugh when them the wrongs. Now make them feel good. When I hear some words come through this and what them got, them mouth, them number 14, don't laugh with them. You see me? Knock sense in them because time is getting serious and you or me could be next. Or one of our nice family and friends them. So my viewers and my subscribers, much love, much respect from New Link Production and the whole team. We are say big up to everyone, you know what I mean? And keep on spreading the word of New Link and the love, man. And thanks to the support and the channel and everything. All the viewers them all over the world, big up, you know what I mean? And remember, the link soon come up where you can make your donation to the Back to Treat Kids Street for the kids them in September in that community in Jamaica. You know what I mean? Just much love, man. Much respect, people. New Link Production and the team, love you all. Big up.